Introduction to the Devonian period. The Devonian period, spanning from approximately 419 to 359 million years ago, is often referred to as the Age of Fishes. It was a pivotal time in Earth's history, marked by significant geological, climatic, and biological changes. The Devonian followed the Silurian period and preceded the Carboniferous period, forming part of the Paleozoic era. Named after the English county of Devon where rocks from this period were first studied, the Devonian saw the emergence of diverse marine and terrestrial life forms, including the earliest ancestors of vertebrates, the first forests, and the colonization of land by plants. Geological setting. During the Devonian period, Earth's landmasses were consolidated into a single supercontinent known as Gondwana, while other smaller landmasses, such as Laurentia, the precursor to North America, Baltica, the precursor to Northern Europe, and Siberia, were located in the southern hemisphere. The climate was generally warm and humid, with sea levels fluctuating, leading to the formation of shallow seas and extensive reef systems. The Devonian is also characterized by significant tectonic activity, including the Caledonian and Akkadian orogenes, which resulted in the formation of mountain ranges and continental collisions. Marine life. The Devonian is often called the Age of Fishes due to the remarkable diversification and evolution of fish species during this time. Jawless fish, such as ostracoderms, gave way to jawed fish, including placoderms and early sharks. A key innovation was the development of paired fins, which facilitated more efficient movement and eventually led to the emergence of tetrapods, four-limbed vertebrates, by the end of the period. Other marine organisms, such as ammonites, brachiopods, and corals, flourished in Devonian seas, contributing to the rich biodiversity of marine ecosystems. Terrestrial plants. One of the most significant events of the Devonian period was the colonization of land by plants. Early terrestrial plants, such as mosses and liverworts, began to colonize coastal environments, followed by the appearance of vascular plants equipped with specialized tissues for water transport. These early vascular plants, including lycophytes and ferns, formed the first forests, contributing to soil stabilization and altering atmospheric composition through photosynthesis. The Devonian flora laid the foundation for the evolution of more complex plant forms, including seed plants, which would dominate terrestrial ecosystems in subsequent periods. Terrestrial fauna. While terrestrial environments were initially devoid of complex animal life, the Devonian witnessed the gradual colonization of land by arthropods and tetrapods. Arthropods, such as millipedes, centipedes, and early insects, diversified in terrestrial habitats, exploiting new ecological niches and contributing to soil formation and nutrient cycling. The transition of vertebrates from water to land is evidenced by fossil evidence of tetrapods, including Ichthyostoga and Acanthostoga, which possessed limbs adapted for locomotion on land but retained aquatic features such as gills. Extinction events. The Devonian period was punctuated by several extinction events, although none were as severe as the mass extinctions that occurred in later periods. One of the most significant extinction events of the Devonian occurred at the Frasnian-Famennian boundary, around 372 million years ago, leading to the disappearance of numerous marine species, particularly reef-building organisms such as stromatoporoids and tabulate corals. The causes of these extinction events are still debated but may have been linked to climatic changes, volcanic activity, or sea level fluctuations. Climate and environmental changes. Throughout the Devonian period, the climate underwent fluctuations, transitioning from warmer conditions during the early Devonian to cooler climates in the late Devonian. These climatic shifts influenced the distribution of ecosystems and contributed to the diversification and extinction of species. Additionally, the development of forests and the spread of vegetation had significant impacts on atmospheric composition and global climate, as plants absorbed carbon dioxide through photosynthesis, potentially contributing to cooling trends and glaciation events. Legacy and significance. The Devonian period laid the groundwork for the subsequent evolution of life on Earth, shaping both marine and terrestrial ecosystems. The colonization of land by plants and animals during this time set the stage for the development of complex terrestrial communities in later periods. Furthermore, the diversification of fish and the emergence of tetrapods marked key milestones in vertebrate evolution, leading to the eventual emergence of terrestrial vertebrates, including reptiles, birds, and mammals. The geological and climatic changes of the Devonian period also provided valuable insights into Earth's dynamic history and the processes driving environmental change over geological timescales.